Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. First, I want to say thank you so much for your immense support since I first made a YouTube video since last year. Well, it is not easy for me to sit in front of camera and record myself. I have to record multiple times until I feel satisfied. Anyway, this particular video will be the last video for now. We all need a break. Since the fasting month, which is Ramadan, is just around the corner, which is in about 1 or 2 days ahead, so I reckon this is the right time for us to have a break. We all need a break. To all my students who I have been teaching to check out to Maju 4 neuron, 5 neuron, 5 electron and 5 creative, and also from other classes such as 4 electron, 4 creative and so on, and any one of you, just any one of you, I just want to say one thing. Thank you so much for all your support. I really appreciate your support. Right, there'll be no quizzes after this. If you realize, I just uploaded some modules and handouts in the description below. You can have a look at them, and please have a look at them because that will be the last thing that I can provide to you. Please have a look at them whenever you are free. I will update and upload new content in the description, so just have a look at them whenever you are free. Also, I will record new video whenever the school opens, which we don't know when, so just wait an announcement from the Ministry of Education. We are still fighting the virus and the situation right now is not suitable for us to come to school yet. So it could take some time for the virus to vanish completely. Last but not least, can you write something in the comment section? It could be your wish, your advice, or any suggestion. Anything you want to say, just say it here. Till then, I shall see you again in the next video. Take care and goodbye. Last but not least, whenever you are feeling sleep, I will upload and I will renew. Please have. I have to do record. Well, it is not easy for me to sit in front of Allah.